Welcome to How Are You? In this lesson, we will learn how to ask How are you and the different answers to this question in German. How are you in German informally is Wie geht es dir? And formally, we ask Wie geht es Ihnen? People usually answer back with different expressions. For instance, super, which means perfect. We can also reply with toll, which means excellent, and gut, which means good. In today's lesson, you learned how to ask people, how are you in German? And the answer to this question. Repeat after me. Wie geht es dir? Wie geht es Ihnen? Super. Toll. Gut.